So welcome back to the channel, guys. So today is the day 3 and we are planning to cover the places in East Goa, in Ponda, and some of the places in North Goa, and I think again northeast of the Goa. So this will be the places that I am sure that you may not have seen before. These are not well-known places, but yeah, I think a must visit once at least. So these places I'll be showing you in a while.
So basically, videography is not allowed here with the help of GoPro or any other cameras. What you can do is you can shoot with your cell phone camera, and that is allowed, I think. I just asked one of the officials over here, and they allowed me to shoot with the help of mobile. Just look at this temple, how beautiful it is. Let me take a round tour of this temple first, and let me go inside and then shoot if at all they allow me to. So the construction, and if you see the structure of this temple and any Goan temple, if you see maybe Mangeshi or maybe any other temple, the construction you would see in a different style altogether than that of what you see in Maharashtra or in any other states. Even if you see in Tamil Nadu and I think in Kerala also, their structures are pretty different. So right now we are at the back of this temple side, and I think there are some staying rooms. So we'll be going inside now. So I think this is the side door, side entry, and the front entry is on that side. Let us go inside now. And this is the front door, the main door for the entry. Just look at it. So now I'm going on the front side of the temple, and as you can see there is very less crowd over here, and which is really a great thing to find peace, which is quite rare in these days. And there is a small lake over here in the middle. I'll also drop location coordinates for this temple in the description box. Let me know in the comments how did you like this temple, and would you visit this anytime soon.
भन्न कसैले भन्दैन भगवान् माफ गरिदियो
So the next place that we are visiting today is a waterfall, a small waterfall just beside the highway NH66, that is Mumbai Madgaon highway. This is just 7 kilometers from Madgaon on the right side from if you come from Madgaon side.
So let me show you that quickly. It is very near to the highway. It's not like very inside and at a remote place. So I hope आपको सुनाई दे रहा होगा. And let me show you the waterfall, and some guys are sitting down there enjoying the waterfall. And let me show you that now. I'm not sure, and let me show you the clear view of this waterfall. I hope now you guys have a clear view of this waterfall. Not a big waterfall as such, but yeah, a must come and a must visit place just near the highway.
So now we are heading towards Panji city, and the places that we did not cover yesterday on day 2 we'll be covering it today, that is Fountainers. So this place is at the center of the Panji city, and this place is famous for actually old Goan homes or houses which are famous for their different colors. So many people come over here to click the pictures, shoot something because of this different structure of the houses. I'll see it as a unique thing which is observed in Goa only. Maybe it can be Portuguese also. And the structure, I'm not sure about the structure, but it's pretty different. And I think this is a must visit place if you are in Panji or if you are in North Goa. It's not that far. So I'll also drop the location coordinates. से बहुत ही अलग टाइप के घर दिखेंगे यहाँ पे आपको. ऐसे नॉर्मल नहीं है, बहुत ही डिफरेंट कोंकणी स्टाइल या फिर पोर्टुगीज स्टाइल या फिर गोवन जो हाउसेस रहते हैं जो आपने नहीं देखे होंगे अब तक, ये बहुत ही कम जगह पे दिखाई देते हैं. आई थिंक गोवा इज़ वन ऑफ देम, माइट बी पौंडीचेरी और सम अदर सिटीज़. So now we are going towards Reis Mogos Fort, and now we are passing through the Panji Bridge, which is a cantilever bridge. And as you can see on the left side, there you'll see different cruises which are active for casinos in the night. After passing through the beach, we'll take a left turn towards the Reis Mogos Fort, and this road passes just beside the sea, and you'll see different views from this side. तो ये पणजी से जब हम कलंगुट जाते हैं, बागा साइड जाते हैं, तो ब्रिज ख़त्म होने के बाद तुरंत लेफ़्ट लेना है और वहाँ से समुद्र के पास से एक बहुत ही मस्त, बहुत ही सुंदर रोड जाता है। वहाँ से हम रीस मोगोस फोर्ट के यहाँ पे पहुँच सकते हैं। So evening is the best time, around 3 to 4 p.m. to go and visit this place, Reis Mogos Fort, because you'll be witnessing in winters, you'll be witnessing a very beautiful sunset over here. तो प्रेफर कि आप ठंड के सीज़न में ही जाओ और वो भी शाम में. And this is a small church that is seen on the way to Reis Mogos Fort, just 100 meters before the entry gate. And now we have reached to Reis Mogos Fort. अभी हम यहाँ पे पहुँच गए और अभी हम ऊपर जाएंगे. So apologies for the unstabilized video, because the GoPro camera was not allowed, so I used my mobile phone and the stabilization was not that good. But now I'll be shooting through mobile, as the mobile camera is allowed but not the GoPro and the still cameras. So guys, now we have come to Panji city, and this is Reis Mogos Fort. I think this is one of the oldest forts in Goa, and which is just nearby the Panji city. If you cross the bridge of Panji city while going towards Guada Fort or Baga or Kalangit beach, in that direction you will find this fort. This is located just beside the bridge. As you can see that in that river, you can see the cruises, all the cruises that are there in the Panji for casinos and all those part, because casinos are not allowed in the land, so that's why it's on the cruise in Goa. And this is the other side of this fort, wherein you'll see the west side of the fort, and as you can see, this is the sea part. And many shootings happen over here. When I came also, there was one shooting going on with one of the actors. I couldn't see the actor, but yeah, a lot of shootings are happened over here in the past, for movies or for serials or for anything else. So this is, I think, one of the famous places in Goa, because this is nearby Panji city. It's a perfect place to shoot at. So let us go down now and let me show you the one of the museums that we have over here. And this is the museum that we have over here, and all the history of the fort, or might be history of the Panji city in short. Everything is mentioned over here, along with the pictures, old pictures that they had. And this is a very nice place to visit. Let's say you want to spend your 1 hour or 2 hour in nearby Panji city. I think this is a very good place to visit. And there are some windows over here which gives you a better view of the sea when the river meets the sea. So it gives a clear picture of that. And that in the front is the Panji city, and here is the museum. I think this used to be a jail, so and I'll show you that part also of the fort. And there's a way to go down here, but right now it's blocked due to some reason. But yeah, down there also a lot of shootings happen, and I think if it is allowed when you visit this place, I think it'll be a great place to explore. So now we are going to a backwater area in, I would say, now northeast of Goa, just nearby Mapusa. And I think you must have not seen this place before, because I'm also going for the place first time, and this is not so popular place also. But yeah, it's a very beautiful place to visit. And the speciality of this place or this area, which is northeast of Goa, this is unexplored part of the Goa, I would say, but definitely worth traveling this place. Uh, so different thing about this place is I think this is at the border of Maharashtra and Goa. तो बॉर्डर के यहाँ पे होने की वजह से you'll get a feel of both Maharashtrian कोंकणी places, कोंकणी होम और कोंकणी जो बगीचे होते हैं कोकोनट ट्रीज के, तो वैसा एक फील, और along with that Goan feel, and on the road you'll witness different churches also, old churches. So you'll get a feel of both the cultures of Maharashtra because of the place being at the border. So right now we are passing through the road to Honda, and this is the church that I was talking about. Such churches you'll definitely be able to see on the road. And we'll take a left turn over here from Mapusa city, and then we'll go towards that place in the backwaters. So here we are. This is the place. This is a small bridge, a footpath bridge, I would say, and this uh, takes us to that place. I'm not sure if the camera is allowed because this is a private property that we'll be going to. And यहाँ पे एक बगीचा है coconut trees का, which is very beautiful, and this view is also amazing. The bridge that you are seeing in the front in the camera is the railway bridge. So whenever the railway passes through this route, it gets a amazing view along with the sunset. So the best time to visit this place is around evening only, around 4 to 5 p.m. Also यहाँ पे boating भी होती थी, but right now it's not there. सो बैक वाटर्स में बहुत सारे कायाकिंग या फिर अदर स्पोर्ट्स, वाटर स्पोर्ट्स भी होते थे, बट अभी यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा है. बट या यू कैन कम मे बी आफ्टर द कोविड गेट्स ओवर, तब शायद ये शुरू हो जाए. सो विल गो टू दिस प्लेस. सो द कैमरा वॉज नॉट अलाउड हियर, सो आई कुडंट शूट द लेटर पार्ट. But yeah, this is a very nice place and calm place to visit at least once in your life. So the next place, which is a small waterfall, is just nearby this place that we recently visited, which is just approx 5 to 6 kilometers from that place, from the backwaters place. And again, this is also not so popular and not so big waterfall, but yeah, if you want to spend a good time with your partner or at a lonely place, I think this is the place. I'll also drop the location coordinates in the description box of all the places that I have covered till now. And we'll be ending the vlog. At the end of the vlog, I'll be showing you the Panji bridge, how it looks at night, because this is a cantilever bridge, and on the right side you are seeing all those cruises on in the sea. So because the casinos are not allowed on the land, all these things are on the water, on the cruises. So here is the view at the night. The lights are focused on this bridge. तो ये लाइट के वजह से बहुत ही अच्छा दिखता है, बहुत ही सुंदर नज़ारा होता है शाम में यहाँ पे पंजी ब्रिज पे. तो डेफिनेटली डू विजिट अ क्रूज, एंड on the cruise you'll get to see a lot of views of the bridge also, and rest of the cruises in the sea. So yeah, this was it in this vlog. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, comment. Thank you so much. See you.